Charlie Cushane here to do another quick video. This time, I'm selling my 2001 truck and getting a brand new 2022, but I have a couple of GoPro mounts mounted to the windshield that I need to unstick. So I'm going to show you my trick to getting them off easily. And here, I can aim the camera up there. There's one of them. Let's get started. To get this GoPro mount off, I'm going to use, it's actually a razor blade kind of knife that you just fold out and it locks in place. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to use this around the edges, and then when I get close I have a plastic scraper that I'm just going to stick under the edge. So let's give it a try. I left some mounting stuff on here, so I have something to grab. Because if you take everything off, there's nothing to grab. So I'm going to go around the edge. There we go. It's starting to come off. Coming. There we go. It's almost off. There we go. Perfect. The mount came off with very little residue. Matter of fact, a couple of scrapes, and I'm good. Now that had been stuck on there for 8 years. So that's one. Let's try the other one. Okay, here's the other GoPro mount. I'm just going around the edge with my razor blade. There you go. Circle. It's coming. There we go. Came off nice. Couple scrapes. And that'll clean up nice. Perfect. That was an easy project.